Restored and modernized classic BMW models from the ATS hold a unique charm, exemplified by the limited edition BMW 635 CRX by Carlex Design. Despite the odd and unrelated Honda reference in the name choice, this creation, based on the gorgeous E24, features subtle exterior enhancements, a revamped leather-clad interior, and an updated suspension. The outcome is a blend of nostalgia, style, and comfort, catering to enthusiasts who relish the experience of driving classics with a contemporary touch. Carlex has chosen to craft a mere 7 units of the BMW 635 CRX at their polish facility. The tuner said that it chose the E24 coupe because of its styling, usability, comfort, and indestructible powertrain. The first build pictured here is based on a 1986 chassis, and it underwent an extensive 1,200-hour transformation. As with the majority of Carlex projects, the highlight of the BMW 635 CRX is the interior. Virtually every inch of the cabin has been reupholstered from the flooring to the headliner, resulting in an eye-catching transformation. A time-consuming process called patination brings subtle natural aging to the brown leather that covers the seats, steering wheel, center console, dashboard, and door cards. The seats have a new retro-futuristic design, adding firmer and denser foams on the factory frames. As a result, they are more comfortable and ergonomic than before, while retaining their original functionalities and controls. The attention to detail is evident in the instrument cluster, where the original plastic gauges have been upgraded with hand-polished steel pointers on a patinated leather background. Furthermore, the polished design studio added a new audio system with custom speakers hidden in the door panels, subwoofers under the rear bench, an 8-channel amplifier featuring a match-up 8 DSP processor, and modern connectivity capabilities. Still, the classic radio face was retained on the center console for period-correct looks. On the outside, visual changes are kept to a minimum, retaining the unmistakable style of the original. Apart from the addition of new Carlex emblems on the front and rear, as well as the front fenders and C-pillars, the only noticeable change comes in the form of multi-spoke, 3-piece wheels constructed from aluminum and stainless steel, which are both larger and wider than the stock wheels. The vehicle sits closer to the ground, giving it a sportier stance. According to Carlex, the new suspension has a sporty character while remaining as soft as possible, delivering a limousine-like comfort in line with the character of the original. There are no changes under the hood, with the 635 CRX retaining the 3.4-liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine of the original. Carlex has not disclosed the pricing for the BMW 635 CRX. However, considering the extensive 1,200 work hours required for the transformation, the limited production run of only 7 units, and the cost of the donor vehicle indicate that this will be a high-end and exclusive product with a hefty price tag.